Woodworking is one of the best hobbies in the world. Not only do you get to create the stuff you want, but you also have complete control over your vision and you can fully customize it. Woodworking can be exciting, challenging, and there's a lot to learn. But it all comes down to finding the right woodworking plans and learning how to complete them one by one. Why do you need woodworking plans? In the world of DIY woodworking, you can't do a whole lot without a good plan. You need to have access to the right plans that will eventually offer you the guidelines and ideas you need to push things to the next level. Creating the right woodworking plans requires a lot of experience, so a beginner will have to rely on pre-made plans for woodworking projects. You can't just create a woodworking project yourself if you're new. So you have to rely on an online search or a collection of woodworking plans. This way you will have a much better experience and you can start with simple projects, then go from there. It might take some time to improve your skills, but that's why you need to start all kinds of woodworking projects. After all, you won't get to improve unless you try. What type of woodworking plans should you go for? If you're new, then it makes a lot of sense to start with something simple like creating small furniture pieces that you hang on the wall. Then you can start expanding to some larger shop projects, storage and organization items, outdoor and patio projects, gifts, accessories, and so on. You can be as creative as you can here, and it all comes down to taking your time and actively finding what works for you. Where can you find woodworking projects? You can't start this hobby without ideas and plans for woodworking projects. And that's where Ted's Woodworking comes into play. With help from this great set of woodworking plans, you can finally bring in amazing ideas to life. Even if you feel that this hobby is overwhelming, Ted's woodworking plans are very impressive. And the best part is that you can start with DIY woodworking early on, and you can adjust and adapt on the fly. Every plan in this package comes with comprehensive guideline and a list of the items that you need. That makes it easier and more convenient than before to start any woodworking projects the way you always wanted. Conclusion: if you're looking for some great woodworking plans, look no further than Ted's Woodworking Plans. These are amazing plans, with more than 16,000 different plans to check out and try on your own. Ted McGrath, the creator of this set of woodworking projects, is a vetted woodworker and trainer, and he split the plans into various categories based on complexity, the tools you use, and so on. Don't hesitate and give these woodworking plans a try if you're looking for something unique, amazing, and distinctive to help you pursue this passion. Ted's Woodworking has over 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step instructions, photos, and diagrams to make every project simple and easy. Click the link in the description below to take a look at his plans. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.